Welcome to the Washington State Labor Market Minute. I'm Paul Turek, an economist with the Labor Market Group, and today I will be providing you with the summary of the May employment report for King County. The county experienced strong monthly employment over the course of May as employers added more than 10,000 jobs on a non-seasonally adjusted basis. Every industry sector gained jobs, and the total job gains exceeded expectations. What that means is that when adjusted for seasonal conditions, the gains in employment were still quite positive. Standing out among the industry sectors was the leisure and hospitality services industry. Usually this sector picks up on employment this time of year, but it was bolstered, that is, employment growth was bolstered by the fact that the Seattle area, had been doing preparations for hosting the World Cup games. The gain in employment helped push the unemployment rate down marginally to 4.8%. And this rate has been running neck and neck for the most part with the state rate over the last few months. And those are the highlights. Thanks for watching.